In this video, we will be taking the other numerical on elasticity of demand. Now, in the previous video, we did the price elasticity of demand through proportionate or the percentage method. In this question, they have asked you to find out the elasticity of demand by the expenditure method. Price of good falls from rupees 10 to rupees 8. As a result, its demand rises from 80 units to 100 units. What can you say about price elasticity of demand by the expenditure method? Now, what is given to you? You are given with price, you are given with the quantity demanded. Okay. Now, the price was 10, the quantity demanded was 80. Now, price is reduced to 8, the quantity demanded is 100. Right? Now, if this was a percentage method, a simple calculation of price elasticity of demand, we could have used the formula and calculated the elasticity of demand. But in this question, they've asked you to calculate through the total expenditure method. So, total expenditure in this is, see, if your quantity you're purchasing it is 80 and the price of one quantity is 10, so what your total spending is 10 into 80 is your 800 rupees is your total expenditure. Now here also 8 into 100, 800 is your total expenditure. Which means that with the change in the price, there is no change in the total expenditure. Right? With the change in price, there is no change in total expenditure. So this is a situation when your elasticity of demand is equal to 1, which is equal to unity. I have told you in the while explaining the total expenditure method in the previous video. So when there is no change in the total expenditure and there is change in the price, then the elasticity of demand is equal to 1. And you can get the other questions where you can find that there is an inverse relationship between total expenditure, which means that your price have fallen down, your total expenditure has increased by that. So in that case, your elasticity of demand is greater than 1. And you can also get a question where you can see your price is falling down and your total expenditure is also falling down. So in this case, your elasticity of demand is less than 1. These are all the 3 situations we have done in your total expenditure method video. So in this way, you can do this question on elasticity of demand. This is the other question. The price elasticity of demand for good X is twice that of good Y. The price of good X falls by 5%, while that of good Y rises by 5%. What is the percentage change in the quantities of good X and good Y? Now, they have said that the elasticity of demand of X is twice that of elasticity of demand of good Y, right? So let us take elasticity of demand is equal to 1 for good Y, right? Now, so elasticity of demand according to this will be 2 times for good X, because it is twice of good Y. Elasticity of good Y, if we have taken the elasticity of demand of good Y as 1, so elasticity of demand for good X will be 2 twice then. Now they've asked the price of good X falls by 5%, while that of good Y rises by 5%. percentage change in price of X is 5% as it has fallen now. Percentage change in price of Y is 5% increased. So now we can put up the formula of elasticity of demand is equal to minus percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. We can calculate this for good X first. Now what has happened with the good X? The elasticity of demand was 2. The price have fallen down by 5%, which is minus 5%. So minus minus becomes positive. 5 to 10% is the percentage change in quantity demanded. So what will happen? The price of X has fallen down by 5%. So what will happen? The quantity demanded will increase by 10% due to the law of demand. That with the decrease in price, your quantity demanded increases. So there is fall of by 5% of X. So there is increase of 10% in quantity demanded of X. Now let us take in the case of good Y. See, elasticity of demand is 1. Your percentage change in quantity demanded we have to find out, and your percentage change is 5% positive because it has increased. So 5% negative, you got the answer, change in quantity demanded, which means 5% negative means that there is fall in quantity demanded by 5% due to the rise in the price by 5%. So this will be the impact on good X and good Y quantity demanded. Right? I hope you like the video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.